Many Teams users complained about guest users not being able to chat, and if you're also one of those, let's explore how you can fix the problem in this video. So the first thing you need to do is to check the current guest access settings and make sure guests are allowed to chat. Do that by going to the Teams Admin Center, select Org-wide Settings, then click on the Guest Access, navigate to Messaging, and enable the chat option. Once done, ask guest users to connect to Teams again and then check if they can now use the chat box. For the next fix, double-check to make sure they're listed as members of the team. But if you don't have access to the Teams Admin Center, contact your ID admin for further assistance. For the next solution, try to enable a private meeting instead of a channel meeting. In this manner, everyone can now access the chat irrespective of the accounts they are using. However, hosting a private meeting also means that the chat will be separated from the team itself. So those are the two ways on how you can fix the issue in the Microsoft Teams guest chat. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.